Welcome to our channel. In this video we will see, with this natural product, your teeth will become white. For more information about teeth whitening, please click the first link in the description. Before we begin, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Making your own turmeric whitening toothpaste is easy, and here are 3 recipes for a radiant smile and white teeth like the stars. Sparkling white teeth, a Hollywood smile, who doesn't dream of it? Teeth don't just have to be healthy, they also have to look good. And all this without any chemicals. It is possible with turmeric. Conventional toothpaste is more and more often questionable, many people no longer trust them. Toothpaste, with or without whitening additives, contains more than questionable ingredients. Isn't it possible to have a natural toothpaste that gives white teeth? Yes, it actually works, with turmeric. Turmeric root is rightly one of the superfoods. This medicinal plant comes from India and is full of important vital substances. Ironically, turmeric stains everything an intense yellow, except the teeth. It's hard to believe, but it works. Here I will introduce you to 3 ways to whiten your teeth. Most people will notice a difference after just a few uses. 1. Pure turmeric. The simplest variant is pure turmeric. Simply put some turmeric powder on the moistened toothbrush and brush. 2. Toothpaste powder with turmeric. If you use powdered toothpaste to clean your teeth, you can also add turmeric to it for natural whitening. One of my favorite toothbrush powder recipes is made with these ingredients. 1 teaspoon of turmeric ground as a powder. 1 teaspoon of powdered mint, either finely grind the dried mint leaves, for example with a coffee grinder, or simply use a mint tea. 1 teaspoon of sage, same procedure as with mint. 1 teaspoon of ginger, ground. 1/2 teaspoon of ultra-fine clay, at health food stores or online. 1/2 teaspoon of high-quality salt, e.g. Himalayan salt or rock salt. 1 pinch of clove powder. Preparation. Grind all the ingredients very finely with a food processor or coffee grinder and pour into a container that closes tightly. Use, to brush your teeth, simply dip the moistened toothbrush in the powder and brush gently. 3. Turmeric toothpaste. You can also make toothpaste yourself. If you want to naturally whiten your teeth, you can add a little turmeric powder to this recipe. Here is my favorite powdered turmeric toothpaste recipe. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You can find out here why coconut oil is particularly suitable, but not only, for dental care. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of xylitol, at health food stores, or online. 1/2 teaspoon of high-quality salt, e.g. Himalayan salt or rock salt. 1 pinch of clove powder. 1 pinch of baking soda. 3 drops of peppermint essential oil. Preparation. Finely grind the dry ingredients and mix. Gently heat the coconut oil in a double boiler and stir in the dry ingredients. Mix everything very well and pour into a screw jar. Depending on the room temperature, the coconut oil will solidify again, so the toothpaste will no longer be creamy. But it doesn't matter. With these tips, you can achieve healthy and, most importantly, whiter teeth with simple means and without unnecessary chemicals. Depending on the degree of discoloration, you should notice the first results after just a few uses. Thank you for watching. For more information about teeth whitening, please click the first link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.